All right, here we are. The World Cat's out of the water, and Corey's doing oil samples. Get back farther. The underwater part of the hulls have a green tinge to it because of the algae, but it appears it'll come off probably with some. Now there are some scouring, mild scrapes here on the hull from sanding or from scouring, but nothing's too deep. And if you're not bottom painting it, I think just cleaning it and getting the algae off, that'll come off. This is the bait pickup for the bait tank. Say hi, Corey.
Hi.
Nothing's deep. It's no gouges, but and actually running my fingernail across them, they're not bad. But obviously they're deep enough to allow algae to be inside it. But nothing, my fingernail's not catching on anything. So I'm sure it can be wet sanded off if you're going to, again, just leave it on the trailer forever. This stuff comes off, I think. I think that's just growth or something. Anyway. But I don't see any dings, any gel coat chips or anything like that. It's time to put a good wax base on it. That's salt from a little bit of algae. Corey's tapping the hull right now, I think. At least I heard him tapping. You see anything, any dings or anything under there? Or nope. Chips out of the gel coat?
No, just this bottom cleaner scratches.
Yeah, okay.